is a 4 month CAT preparation enough for 2020? Because 2020, we know this gloomy year of COVID-19 pandemic, right? It is July on the date of 10th where I'm shooting this video. Well, today a very important topic comes to the mind. I have heard from students who are still thinking and who are thinking, should I go with the CAT preparation now? Because I have googled it up, I have seen it in Quora or everywhere where people say, yeah, in 4 months what will you be able to do? You need more months. Well, there are some advantages today, not before but today. Advantage number one, since it's the COVID-19, most of the colleges are closed now. So if you are a college student and even if you are facing online classes, you still have more time. Number two, you get the facility to read online, and that's from Unacademy also. It's an option for you because there are more platforms, but Unacademy has multiple educators, study materials, live classes, recordings, study materials, mock tests, sectional mocks, weekly mock practice material, everything jam-packed in one. So first thing is that you have the facility because you have more time now. Utilize this. Second thing is online facility has made it easy to cover the syllabus. And the third thing is, since you are in your house, you can devote more time to it, and since everything is online at your phone, things becomes easy. So the third thing basically will be that you have more time at your disposal. We ignore the time aspect, but time is very crucial, and for now it is a blessing in disguise that we can manage our time and preparation. Now you will be asking, what do I do in these 4 months? Well, see, if you are reading from my subject, I am teaching VRC at Unacademy. So I will cover the VRC in 1 month because topics are limited and I will teach only that, and I do teach only that in Unacademy class where the topics are relevant with the CAT syllabus. For example, if the CAT do not ask you direct question on grammar, so I don't teach a lot of grammar. I teach those RCs, those paragraphs, para completion, odd sentence out, summary, which are actually being asked here. The same thing is happening with other top educators who are there teaching for the quant section for the DILR. I'm not alone teaching the VRC. I mean, there are many teachers. And when you subscribe to Unacademy, not only my course, you get access to all the courses just at one subscription. And if you compare the cost of one subscription, this is very, very low as compared to other platforms online and offline. You can just Google it all by yourself. I will also share with you a referral code BHGHOSH.YT. That will help you get discount. But my main motto was, is it still possible to prepare for CAT in this 4 months? In this 2020, answer is yes. 1/4 possibility. That's not the real reason, but that may be a possibility. That's just a rumor for now. Maybe the CAT exam shift a bit. Maybe it doesn't take place in November. You know why? There is a logic. There is a theory of my own, and this is nowhere tested for now. When I'm shooting this video, this is not written anywhere. I mean, this is not proven. Okay. So thing is, IIM Indore in 2020 is conducting CAT, right? But IIM Indore is also going to conduct IP MAT. IIM Indore has twice delayed, postponed the dates of IP MAT. Well, IP MAT is an exam that class 12th learners takes this exam so that they can get admitted into IIM Indore in a BBA MBA integrated course. We all know now CAT. CAT is that graduate status for getting into MBA. Right now, IIM Indore is also conducting IP MAT and CAT. Now, IP MAT is postponed twice. We don't know whether by November this pandemic will be under control or not. If it is not under control, since this same IIM Indore has postponed IP MAT, it may postpone CAT. Not much, maybe 1 month or 15 days. So if you come to Unacademy, you may take a 6-month plan and easily cover up the syllabus with bonus time, and maybe even if you don't have bonus time, even if we consider these 4 months tight, you will still be able to compare and complete the syllabus because 1 month is sufficient for BRC, 3 months are sufficient for DILR and Quant, and rest of the month will be for mock test and practice and re-revision of the entire syllabus. That's the beauty of Unacademy, that whenever you join, You get to learn right from the very basic. But it was not just to tell you about an academy. It was a genuine help. So if you have more questions like this, comment it there. I will take your questions. The best questions will be taken up and will be answered by me in this channel itself. So do subscribe to this channel. If you found it informative, please do share it with your friends who may need it in this time of distress. Thank you.